Grandma, Sophie had the baby today, and it just happened.
Wait, what did you just say? Please tell me clearly again.
It is a baby boy, and everyone is safe and happy now.
Oh, thank God. Both mother and baby are safe and healthy.
I am officially an uncle now, and I feel very important today.
You were always going to be one, so calm down a little bit.
We have a real baby in our family now, and it feels magical.
Sophie is a mother now, and that makes me so emotional.
Do we know the baby's name yet, or are they still choosing?
They have not decided yet, but I know it will be beautiful.
Then we should name him Emperor Biscuit, because that sounds powerful.
No way! You are not allowed to name any baby in this family.
We should prepare something kind and useful for them today.
Why are babies always so small and tiny, like little toys?
Because a full-size baby would be very scary for everyone.
Today, everything changes in the most beautiful way for us.
And also, this means many sleepless nights are coming very soon.
Why do you always say strange things at emotional moments like this?
I am here to bring both truth and comedy to this family.
Look at his tiny little face. He looks so peaceful and calm.
He honestly looks like a small potato with very big emotions.
No, he is beautiful and perfect, just the way he is.
He is so cute, and I already love him so much.
I hope Sophie had enough food and also got some good rest.
His tiny hand is even smaller than my thumb. That is incredible.
Do you think he already knows I am his favorite uncle?
No, he definitely does not know that at all.
We should visit them very soon and show our support.
Yes, and we should bring thoughtful and useful gifts for them.
We need to create the perfect gift basket for the baby!
No, useful and simple gifts are always the best choice.
These tiny socks are so small. They do not feel real at all.
Babies are basically pocket-sized humans, and that feels so strange.
Should we choose the blue one, the yellow one, or the one with stars?
Honestly, the tiny boss will not even notice the difference at all. Why is this soft blanket so hard to fold properly like this?
What do you think about this toy? It looks quite fun. No, please not that one. It makes too much noise already.
We are giving them peace and comfort. not loud noise and chaos. This tiny teddy bear is perfect, and he needs a soft friend.
Yes, that is a very lovely and thoughtful choice.
I am secretly adding a special message from the best uncle.
Wait a second, what exactly did you write on that card?
Please choose me as your favorite uncle in the future.
Wow, you are already doing your personal branding so early.
Everything here feels soft, tiny, and very precious. Okay, everyone, please act normal when we go inside now. Oh, my sweet little boy, you are finally here with us.
He is so incredibly tiny, and I feel a little scared to move. He is absolutely beautiful, and he looks so peaceful right now.
Sophie, you look so beautiful holding your baby like that.
Wow, he just moved his mouth.
This is a historic moment for me.
We brought you some soft and useful things for the baby. Thank you so much. This is really kind and thoughtful of you.
I personally chose this item, and I think it is very good.
It is very nice, Ryan. You did a great job choosing it.
Can I please hold him carefully? I promise to be very gentle.
Oh, wow. I cannot believe I am holding a real baby right now.
You look very different now, like you are more careful and calm.
He is perfect in every way, and I already love him.
Holding him feels unreal, but also very special, does it not?
Now we must talk about something very important. His name.
We are still thinking about it, and we want the perfect name. What about Rocket or Thunder?
Those names sound very strong.
No, Ryan, you are officially banned from choosing any names. Maybe we should choose something strong, soft, and also very classic. We want a name that feels gentle, but also strong in life.
When we hear the right name, we will both feel it clearly.
I can already see him as a doctor, engineer, or famous football star.
Right now, his only job is sleeping and being adorable all day. I already love him so much, even before knowing his name.
We are very close now, and we think we found the right name.
Oh, really? Please tell us the name right now.
We decided his name is Eli, and it feels perfect for him. Eli is such a beautiful, strong, and lovely name for him.
Well, I guess Emperor Biscuit has officially lost this time.
This house already feels different with a baby inside it. This tiny shirt is actually smaller than my own hand. We need to organize everything properly for daily baby care. That soft cry means he is hungry and needs feeding now.
Why is this baby bag so heavy? It feels like a big suitcase. Because babies need many things, almost like moving a whole house.
He feels safe with her, and he trusts her completely already.
That deep trust is what motherhood truly means.
What time is it now? I feel like I lost track of everything.
There is no normal time anymore. Only baby time exists now. He just held my finger, and I will remember this moment forever.
I think I have been replaced already by this tiny human.
Tonight we celebrate his arrival with love and family together.
We already love you more than words can ever explain.
He has changed all of us in the most beautiful way.
A baby always changes the shape and heart of a family.
This is our new life together, and I truly love every moment of it.